Today we'll talk about how can you find your messages on your app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you to find your messages. All you have to do, you just go down here. You click here on message down here. You just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on alarm messages here. So then here you will find all messages you have. Like you see here, I have no messages yet, but if you have it, you will find it here in this list on your app. So that's all you have to do to find it here on your app. You just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you to find all messages you have here. And here can you find your mailbox. I have nothing here yet in my mailbox. In here are message nothing, but if you have it, you will find it here. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.